Guys, we live now. We're about to analyze. We're not gonna take long because we're waiting for my nigga Manando. I'm actually going to join my nigga Manando right there, so that we can see what he has. It's pretty straightforward. This one. It's pretty straightforward. So it's my nigga is live. Manando is live. I'm going to join him very soon. I prefer doing analysis with him, but I've been doing analysis with him ever since morning. So since we've been doing analysis together, I'm still busy with some people, their life and all that, working on some things, So these are going to be just simple analysis, guys. Simple analysis, as simple as possible. Simple as possible, so that at least we can at least see the direction for tomorrow. Guys, invite your friends, let's analyze. Let's get to the market. Invite your friends, let's get to the market. Invite your friends over. Let's sorry guys, sorry for that. Guys, something is happening to my phone and I don't know what's happening. I just need to go update the software, I think, because it shows me some things that don't even exist right here. There's a lot that I don't understand about my Instagram. This iPhone is actually having a problem. Okay. Okay. We might have something like this. Everything here we need to have here on this time frame belongs to a 4-hour chart. So this is our 4-hour chart. I'm sure you can all see this. Guys, invite your friends. Let's sit over. Precious, I know I owe you the V75 class. I'm probably just going to give you the V75. You've been on it for a while, so don't worry. Got you. I think tomorrow we can do the V75 class. So guys, new things are coming. You can see how my channels go by. I started my Fibonacci from this lowest point right here, this lowest point that you see, to that highest point right there. Then my cell showed me that our 61.8. Let me just repair it up so that you guys can see. I'll be quick on this one. I dragged my Fibonacci from the lowest point to this highest point right here. Then right here it shows me that I have my 61.850. This is the level of 50 and 61.8 right here that you see. Then if you look at it, it came and respected the level. After that it came to this level right here, 50 and 61.8, and rejected on it. After rejecting on it, it went up, then came back and played on it, then broke the level again, then continued going up. Now there is something sort of a double bottom on this, which is the W that we see right there. After the W that you see right here, after the W that you see right there, we might have something whereby this thing might shoot up. When it shoots up, we need to know where it's going. That is the first thing that we need to know. Whenever this thing is going to shoot up, we take our Fibonacci from that highest point, dragging it to the current retracement level. After dragging it to the current retracement level, we put our Fibonacci level on 50 and 61.8, which is the level that you see right here, 61.8 and 50. That is where we put our rectangle right there. After putting our rectangle right there, we do this. Now we know that if it's going to move from here, from this level that we have right here, it's going to break this 50 and 61.8 level here, right here. Once it breaks 50 and 61.8, that is your second entry right there. Your first entry, you get it somewhere here. Well, guys, I'm just giving you some highlights on what you can expect. Finding an entry is going to be on you. I'm just giving you guys the direction on what might happen this week. So all entries that you're going to get, you get them after 61.8. These are the second entries. The moment it breaks right here, this 50 and 61.8 here, you get your second entry here up to this level right here. So what I do now, I know that okay, this is the 61.8 level. The 61.8 level corresponds with this. Look at this. If you can look at the 61.8 level corresponds with this trend line that you see here, which means obviously it's going to be above this line. So since it is going to be to break this 50 and 61.8, once it breaks it, this is where you find your buy. But before you find a buy, remember this is a strong level that you see here. On this strong level here, once it breaks it, you wait for a retest. It's going to come and retest somewhere inside here. It's either on 50 or right here on 61.8. That's where you get your entry, then you continue going up. Guys, please don't request for now. Let me discuss this first, then we'll accept your request later and hear what you guys have in mind. So for now, actually I've been inspired by my nigga. Today this is my nigga Manando. This is Nasdaq, bruh. Nas100. This is Nas100, bruh. So once it's like this, we can take our trend line this way and put it here, right there. But make sure that your trend line stays accurate, guys. Then we delete this Fibonacci level here. Fibonacci lines, we move them off, total off. Already we got our zones. We know that okay, these are the levels that we're expecting buys. After a breakout of any of these levels, we're expecting a buy. So okay, this is what we did on a smaller time frame, which is the first touch is here. Look at the second touch, the third touch. This is a buy. It's going to continue going up. So once it's like this, we delete everything. We know obviously that okay, this is our touch, this is where our trend line will be, this is where our trend line will lie right here. So we go to a smaller time frame because now we need to check and confirm. As we go to a smaller time frame, we continue with our analysis. We do this, guys. We're going to do this more often. You need to tell your friends to join up. This whole week we might spend the whole week doing this thing, doing analysis, sharing analysis, and doing all those kind of things. I don't know what's happening to my voice, guys. It's actually getting rusty and stuff. So I don't know what's happening to my voice. I hope I'll be audible enough. So okay, we go to a time frame as low as 15 minutes, right? As we go to 15 minutes, we need to zoom our chart to the last level that we need, which is the last level that we need is this one. Then we spot our highest point, spot our lowest point. You get it? Highest point, lowest point down here. You understand? So after spotting our lowest and highest point, simple things, guys. Use your trend lines. Use your trend lines. Use your trend lines. That is what you need to do. Use your trend lines, guys. Use your mindset. Your trend lines must work. Your trend lines must work. Simple things that don't even need you to attend a class. Simple things that don't even need you to attend a class, you understand? This is Nasdaq. Let me write. You guys will choose either you want the advanced class from me or you don't want it. It's fine, but I'll share it with you my analysis. This is just the start that I'm sharing with you guys. This is 15 minutes time frame, guys. Let me just type something here on the screen. Those who need classes from me, you just text. Guys, we're still going to discuss Nasdaq. Just wait, let me type something here. We should start sharing analysis. Okay. Simple as this. This is it, right? As you see this thing, guys, I'm using Veracity and IC markets, but I prefer IC markets as well as Pepperstone. So as you see this, guys, we have drawn our trend line from here. We know that, okay, on our trend line, it's just simple things that you need to know. On our trend line, simple things that you need to know. It's just basic things, guys. You don't need a lot of things. Your trend lines go like this. This is the trend line strategy. First, second, third, buy. First, second, third, buy. First, second, third, buy. You get my point? First, second, third, rejection. On the third, just like the second, you buy. You are supposed to buy here. You get my point? First, second, the touch is done. Third, it's not done yet. You get my point? The third one is not done yet. After this one, that is where you determine either it's going to break or it's going to fail to break. You understand? It might do something like this. Come back down. Nobody knows. But, okay, let's say it comes back down, right? For a retest. You need to know where is it going to retest. It might touch. If it breaks this line, you buy. Once it fails to break the line, this is the simple basics that I need to show you guys. Once it breaks here, you buy. Once it fails to break, you know that it's coming down. But when it comes down, where is it going to retrace to? Or which level is it going to? You take your Fibonacci retracement from the previous retracement to the current retracement level. You get your 50 and 61.8 right there. Right here. Look at it. We took the Fibonacci from this level to the current level, which is going to retrace to. Which time frame we're looking at now with time trend line? This is 15 minutes, guys. We took the Fibonacci from right here to this level right here. You understand? To this level that you see right here. This level. You understand? After looking at this level, we took it exactly to this level. Look at the point that we have on 50 and 61.8, which means if you are going to sell from here after a rejection, it might end up here. There is something that I see, but this is for advanced classes, that also confirms you that it's going to buy. Then after that, you know that, okay, after this, you know that it's going to buy. This is where you find a confirmation for a buy. Then the first entry you're going to get it right here. The second entry you're going to get it right here, as soon as it closes above the trend line. Then from here, you know that, okay, sharp, I've got my entries on it. Where are you going to know that, or where are you going to take your first take profit? Someone says just here from Pretoria class. Just here from the Pretoria class. Okay, cool, man. So as soon as it breaks this one right here, what you do is please save the live video. The live with the Prince network is bad and really wanna watch this live. No, it's fine, I'll save it. You guys just need to invite your friends to look at this. We're going to be doing more analysis on Nasdaq every night or during the day. So look at this. Once it closes above this line, this is where you find yourself a buy. closes above, you find your buy, then you hold it. When you hold it, first thing that you need to know, you don't hold a trade before you know exactly where you're going to take your profit. You understand? So the moment you're going to hold a buy from right here, let's say from here, let me just put back the Fibonacci so that you guys can get it simple. Okay, when it's like this, let's say for example you've got your entry right here inside this zone where you put your stop loss. Your stop loss always stays, this is 15 minutes guys, your stop loss, at least put it somewhere here. Put your stop loss somewhere here, or even here, it's okay. Right here, right here, your stop loss stays somewhere. Because remember, if they're going to manipulate the market, they might spike just to up to this level right here. Then you'll be safe. Understand? Once they spike to this level, you'll be safe. Then you know that whenever it's going to shoot up, you're going to get a buy. You're going to keep your buy stop right here. Then it shoots up with you to this level. Once it gets to this level, you know that already your entries are in profit. Then you enter one, you open one trade right here. You open one trade right here. It continues going up. After continue going up, you know that you got 2 entries in it. After getting 2 entries in it, the best way that you can get your take profit, your first take profit, the first thing that you do, uplift voice, my guy. Okay guys, I think I said it that actually my voice, I don't know what's happening. Okay, I'll try. So as soon as it breaks this level guys, you now take your Fibonacci from the highest level, your highest point, to the lowest point, from this level right here. Look at this level right here. You take it from the highest point to the lowest point right there, to the lowest point right here. Understand? Your advanced classes, you need to take my numbers guys, then we'll talk. From this highest point to this lowest point right here, you get where your 50 and 61.8 is. As soon as you plot your Fibonacci retracements, here is it. Here's the 50 and 61.8. This is your take profit. It's either you're going to take your profit right here. I prefer it on the line because you don't know exactly what's going to happen. You understand? You don't know if it's going to reject you and come back down. You understand? So the first thing that you do, guys, as soon as it comes to this level here, right here, as soon as it comes to this level here, you wait and see if there is a rejection. If there is a rejection on this level, this is where you close your trade. So when it's like this, you put your rectangle on it just to be safe. Guys, this is just the startup of this. I'm not showing you the advanced things. This is just for beginners, those who are just starting. Trend line theory is the simplest that people need to know. My advanced classes, guys, you take my numbers, you text me, we'll talk from there. So basically when it's like this, okay, basically when it's like this, you got your level right here. This is where your take profit will be. Imagine holding Nasdaq from here, and then you got your second or third position right here. Then your take profit right here. This is a lot of money, guys. Let's not play with it. So the moment that this one comes up to this level, you can either close, but if it shoots in and breaks this level here, right here, once it shoots in and breaks that level right there, what you do now is you lock your profit somewhere here. After locking your profit, what you do is, obviously once the strongest level is broken, there's always going to be a retest. Either right here, it's going to retest right here, or it's going to retest inside. After retesting inside, it's going to show you something. That's for the advanced class, but it's going to show you something right here. After showing you something right there, it continues going up. This is where you get your buy, to this level. You get my point? So the moment it comes here, you get your buy stop here. You understand? Already you got the first position, second position, third position, fourth position up to this level. This is a lot of money, trust me. You don't need to trade every day. You only need to lock your profits and let it go. You understand my point? So this is how the market moves mostly. So guys, these are the basics. This is what we need to know at first before we start analyzing. But those who are in Witbank, guys, I'm coming to Witbank on the 26th of this month. We're going to work on it, and those who are in Witbank, don't worry, you just need to inbox me. We are coming there. We are on our way to Witbank. We're going to show you guys everything. Those who are in Free State, we are coming to Free State by beginning of next month. We're coming to Free State. We're going to start with this, guys. These are just the basics that I showed you. These are just the basics. These are the basics that you can need. These are the basics that you need in order for you guys to make money. But remember, I can show you good analysis. I can show you where to enter, but I'll never choose for you the proper lot size that you need to use. That comes with you, and you know how much you funded in your account. Discipline comes with you, and you know how much you've been struggling. You understand? I'm actually coming to Bloemfontein, guys. I have a class in Bloemfontein that will be coming. Time frame, guys. This is 15 minutes. This is 15, guys. Yeah, 15 minutes. Yeah, actually, I'm not on TradingView, guys. We'll be looking much on TradingView some other time. Maybe tomorrow or tomorrow later, when we discuss what happened during the day and see what is it going to give us. So these are the first analysis that you guys need. This is the first thing that you guys need, the first phase of Nasdaq that you guys need. Let me just put all this together so that you guys can see. So when it's like this, okay, let me just put the zone right here. Western Cape, guys, will get there as long as you guys know that you have at least 20 people and above. We can come. Remember, we cannot come for less people unless if they are paying something reasonable, because now we're not charging a lot of money. We're only charging, like, if you are far, at least maximum 1.5. So this is it, guys. These are the analysis. This is what you need to know. Trendline theory, trendline strategy. Then we have something called Fibonacci retracement. Simple things that you guys need to make money. Please, let's talk about entries. No, I cannot give you entries. That is for the advanced classes. Entries are actually given on smaller time frames. 15 minutes, 5 minutes, and 1 minute. That is where you can get your entries. You understand? I'm not saying, guys, okay, I'm not saying this is 100%. You understand? But what I know is Nasdaq this week, it might give us a buy or an uptrend. You understand? This is just 15 minutes. This is just like 15 minutes. It's not a bigger time frame, because we still have bigger time frames here. You understand? We still have bigger time frames. I'm still going to give analysis from this level to this level using the same strategy. I might hold this from here up to there, up to that level right there. You understand? This is our highest level, and from my belief, I'm sure Nasdaq will come from here to this level here. But you guys need a perfect entry. Bro, could you save the life? I'll think about it, man. My analysis also give me buy on Nasbra. That is enough, man. Thanks. Sure, Mela. So guys, this is what I'm saying. Exactly right here. We might hold from here. You need a perfect entry. Once you get a perfect entry on this, you might hold your trade until next. Let me see 4 hours. You might find yourself holding this trade for the week. You understand? You might find yourself holding this trade for the week, the whole week. You might hold it for the whole week. Guys, we're not going to look at entries. I'm not going to give you guys entries. I'm giving you guys a highlight. Something that mentors don't do. You understand? This is something that mentors don't do. Something that mentors don't really focus on. So what I'm going to do now is, okay, I gave you the short vision of Nasdaq just on a 15-minute time frame, right? I gave you the short vision of Nasdaq. After giving you guys the short vision of Nasdaq, what I'm going to do now is, okay, let's look at smaller time frame. Then I'll show you just simple things though. So guys, I'm going to delete this on the screen right now. Everything on the screen, just going to move it and move to a smaller time frame. So I'm going to move to a smaller time frame now. I'm deleting everything so that we can look at the smaller time frame. Let's look at this is our 5 minutes. Let's look at our okay, let's zoom out. I don't know if you guys have heard something about flags and all that, or a flag on the trading market. Guys, simple strategy that I was showing you. I want you to look at something. Simple things that you guys need to look at it in order to trade. Says a lot. This is an entry that I'm giving you guys. This is an entry that I'm giving you guys. If you don't get the entry right, then I don't know. If you guys don't enter, I don't know. But I'm giving you guys an entry. As simple as I said before. Trend line strategy. 1, 2, 3 sell. Isn't it? 1, 2, 3 sell. Isn't it? 1, 2, 3 buy. So, what's confusing you guys? What's confusing you? My nigga Manando is here. Is the guy who inspired me to do this. I wasn't actually doing this. You understand? So I'm just gonna give you guys simple things. You understand? Simple things, simple things. My nigga is the one who inspired me to do this. Manando is the one who inspired me to do this. I saw him doing it. I was like, you know what? Since my nigga shares like few things with the guys, why can't I do the same? Get my point? So you guys need to thank Manando for being an inspiration. And I see my nigga Chat King is in here also. So guys, we won't sleep. You see Manando is saying let's see, Manando said something. He said sleep. Guys, don't listen to Manando. You tell it to sleep. You know what time Manando sleeps? Manando doesn't sleep. Be it at wake up at 2 o'clock. You'll find Manando awake. Busy life. He's busy on the chart. He's busy helping people. That is what made me also go live, check up on people, you know. So don't be fooled by Manando, guys. He doesn't sleep, this nigga. This nigga doesn't sleep at all. I've checked him around 2 midnight. I still found him awake. Understand? So this nigga is something else, guys. It's way too focused. It's way too focused. So guys, I was still saying let's look at it. Simple thing here. The way I mostly use my trend lines, it's mostly 1, 2, 3 then sell, 1, 2, 3 buy. So mostly we might look for something right here. If it does come down to this level, we must look for something right here. We might see something right here, right there. This is a 1 minute chart. Might see something right here. There might be something, or else let me try. I've never used much. Can you see where it is right now? If you look at it, I might have a rejection right there. It might even shoot up from the level that it is at. Because if you look at it, there is a level of 50 and 61.8 right here on this level. So once it fails to break this level 61.8 and it keeps rejecting inside, and it shows you something, there is something that it shows. I'm not going to be straight up, but there is something that you see. Those who know how to get entries, there is something that it shows inside this level right here that you see. Once you see that, you know that you're going to get your entry. After getting your entry somewhere in here, that is when you enter. Then you keep your stop loss just below, few pips below, guys, not very far though, somewhere here, because we are avoiding stop hands and all that, so that if it does come down to this level and touch here, it doesn't take you out. It bounces on this, then continues going. Or you can even keep it a bit lower, because this is 1 minute. You can even keep it a bit lower to this level right here, so that if it comes to bounce on this, if there is a bounce on this, you know that obviously it's going to what? Create something. If you guys, I'm just gonna do this just quick. So if you guys don't see it, I don't know. There you go. There might be something like that. There might be something like that just right there. There might be something like that. You understand? There might be just something like that is going to happen. Then you know that you gotta buy. Those who are not listening, I don't know. I'm not going to explain further. But this is what I'm giving you guys. It's just a hint on what you guys can do on the market with just simple knowledge in J. As I said, guys, those who are in Wheatbank, Bloemfontein, we're coming there, we're coming to your area. Don't worry about it. We're going to come to your area, we'll get to your area whereby we are now going to teach you more things about Nasdaq, the advanced things about Nasdaq. So this is it, guys. Some simple stuff, some simple basic stuff that you guys need to trade this thing. Some simple stuff, guys. Simple stuff. Those who are afraid of getting an entry, guys, I still repeat, if you can use, guys, you need to be wise, man. You need to be wise. You need to use these things carefully, man. You need to use these things carefully, guys. 1, 2, 3, buy. 1, 2, 3, breakout, buy. Simple. Simple things, guys. Manando, this is NAS 100. This is NAS 100 that I'm looking at right here. It's on 1 minute chart. I'm just showing them how to get entries mostly on this. This is NAS 100 on 1 minute. This is a 1 minute chart for now. So this is what I'm looking at. This is what might happen. So just check your chart, go back to the chart, see what you guys can find on it. Then if you see something nice, go in. If you trust your analysis, go in. Make money. You guys can make money, but you don't trust yourself. You guys doubt yourself. Do you think the market will gap? I don't know about that. Devin. Devin, you guys need to